Duties means moral or legal obligation or a type of responsibility that one is required to perform as part of one's job. Here is a list of 10 such duties. It includes the following: respecting Constitution, national flag, national anthem, protection of unity and integrity of India. Then it promotes harmony and brotherhood, protection of environment and public property, preservation of culture of India, follow our freedom fighters, development of country in all spheres, render national services, development of scientific attitude and using scientific methods on day-to-day basis. Here are some of the differences between fundamental rights and fundamental duties. You please read it. It is not included in your syllabus and not given in your book. That's why I am not covering it here. Our Constitution is a living document. That is, it is changeable. It is constantly growing and evolving according to the needs, requirements, and aspirations of people. In the Constitution itself, a procedure has been laid down by which changes can be brought about. Such changes are called amendments. These amendments are made to remove the difficulties that arise from time to time. What is dissent? It is defined as a disagreement in opinion. Right to dissent is essential to democracy. Right to dissent is the biggest and most important right granted by Constitution. It includes right to criticize. There can be no democracy without dissent. Freedom of speech and expression means right to express one's own conviction and opinion freely by words of mouth, writing, printing, and picture, or any other mode. The best example is Dandi March in 1930, which was started as disagreement to violate salt laws. Gandhiji mailed salt from sea water at Dandi and violated the salt law. The other examples were Anti-Liquor Campaign, Vernacular Press Act, etc. So here we complete our chapter. Students, please go through the chapter today itself, and after reading the chapter once again, listen to this video and try to correlate all the topics that you have read in the book. Goodbye. God bless you.